Welcome to Excel AI Analytics, a math series of 100 video parts on Excel Analytics using the latest features of AI in Excel to develop financial models. The Jurassic Maturity Particles are AI tech fans. Whether you are a complete beginner or expert user of Excel application, you will love to click on the button with purpose to know more about Excel Analytics with AI. This video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Hello friends, welcome to Excel AI Analytics. We are going to explain about one of the popular financial functions found in Excel AI applications. So the function that we are focused today on is FVSchedule. It's popularly known as future value with variable interest rates. That is calculating the value of amount deposited with variable rates across the period. Suppose we have invested $10,000 in the account and for 5 years period. So the interest rates will be 5%, 6%, 4%, 7%, 3%. So what would be the future value of that $10,000? So we can identify that by following this FE schedule $10,000 J2 colon J6. That is the table that I have been using it for rate of interest. It's over here. Okay. So it has 0.05%, 0.06%, 0.04%, 0.07%, 0.03%. Okay. So if we see that the amount computed is $12,757.03. Thank you.